Okay, it's the next day. We're going to Arizona, Grand Canyon. And we're back with our Tesla. We have made it to Hoover Dam. Yeah, so very excited to see this. The views are gonna be spectacular once again. It's, yeah, very cool. Oh my god, there is a long way down. So up close and personal on the dam. Look at that. Very, very cool. This is the bridge that over here. And Arizona is actually over there. So yeah, so this is the border, which is kind of cool. Okay, this is even more breathtaking. Look at that, the bridge. It's so nice. Yeah, we are right on the dam actually, and few yards is Arizona. So that's pretty much it for Hoover Dam. Now we're going to Grand Canyon. We're going to take a little pit stop to Kingsman to charge the Tesla. And tomorrow it's with here. Hoover Dam. Absolutely impeccable. Here, last final views of Hoover Dam. Because you guys know, when it's gone, it's gone. Okay, so we just crossed Arizona. Now we're heading on to Kingsman. So we're just gonna charge the Tesla. While we do that, we're gonna eat a Coach Jr. for some lunch, and it's very windy here at Kingman. So yeah. So how are you eating?
Coach Jr.
How are you?
Okay, we're fine.
Burgers.
Come on, let's eat now.
The french fries is nice.
It's hot.
Yeah, the double.
Ano na?
Okay, let's begin. So we're driving. So we're driving to Grand Canyon right now, in the middle of nowhere, and right there is a sandstorm. Very convenient. Yeah. Hopefully we don't run out of charge, or else it's very no ideal. These are Joshua trees. Full forest of them here. There's even more. Yeah. like there's a whole entire forest of them over here. There we are. It's pretty cool. Grand Canyon is all the way down there, like 30 miles down there. But let's just bask in all the scenery, because not every day can you see this, right? Hello. So yeah, this is just impeccable.
Yes, Chloe.
We're getting closer now. Just 19 miles. We're gonna see a lot more. Pit stop numero 2. We're over here. Very nice mountainous area over there. Of course, joshua trees. Yeah, really, really cool. This is wild. Yeah, that's just hopping out here. It's windy. It's windy. Okay, yeah, it's really cool. We are going very slow because if we go,
We need to conserve.
yeah, because if we go very fast, then we will run out of battery and we'll be stranded here, which obviously isn't the most ideal thing. Like that guy, he's stuck right now.
Mama will keep your. I was told
So you can actually ride that for a fee of $250. So yeah, unfortunately we don't have that money. Right?
Kuya, is that the wind?
Yeah, it's the wind. It's the wind.
It's windy.
Yeah. It is. But there is Grand Canyon.
Windy.
Oh. Very, very windy here. But there it is. Grand Canyon. It's a lot windier than I expected it to be. So I'm holding on too tight to my phone. But I'm gonna get as close as I can. Oh my god. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah. I wanna get close, but again, I don't want my phone and my glasses to fall off, so yeah, this is as close as I can get mentally. I'm gonna go back now. A lot scarier than I thought. So yeah. How's the Grand Canyon?
so windy.
Too windy, right?
Too windy and too pricey.
$58 per person. So anyway, again, see ya. Skywalk. Additional charges. You have to keep your phone before you walk there. So yeah, so pretty much I can't film. I can't vlog and film there. So that's why we didn't really go there because we couldn't take any pictures. So yeah, it's so windy. Yes. Alright, so we're here at another point in Grand Canyon. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, there's no barriers this time. So you can go right on the edge. I want to do that, but I also don't want to die. So, gathering up the courage. That's a long way down. You know, it is. That's cool. Alright. Very nice.
I did eat something.
Possibly the last time, but it is what it is. Charging is complete and we are going back to Treasure Island. Oh, sunset. Beautiful. Ah, very nice. Huh? Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Passing by the bridge, but we can't see anything because it's blocked, but Hoover Dam is right there. Oh, we are back in Vegas. In Vegas. Vegas, baby. Our last time here in Vegas, actually. Very, very sad. Well, that wraps Vegas, I guess. We're not going anywhere anymore. Just resting. Because tomorrow is our flight to Palm Springs. So, yeah, this is our last night here in Vegas, so very sad. But, still more exciting things to come, even though it's the end of our trip. So, yeah, we'll move on to the next day. Yeah. Currently at the gate at Las Vegas Airport. There's the planes. Yeah.
When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted and could fall out.
So we made it to Palm Springs, and now we're getting some ramen for lunch because we haven't eaten actually. So yeah.
Wala ka ng halos sasakyan.
We're here in a wind turbine farm here at Palm Springs. It's like Grand Canyon. It's pretty cool. Yeah, anyway, let's go back in. Alright, into the park. Where are we?
Palm Springs. Palm Springs aerial tram.
They say a long way up.
Yeah. We will ride that one.
Kapag kasi unang bato pa lang. Enjoy the ride.
Oh, go ahead. Oh, rocking back and forth. Oh my god. So high. We are very, very high.
Anyway, just under 9,000 plus track games, 13,500 feet in length. Therefore,
Hey folks, in just a moment on the right-hand side of our car, the other tram is coming down the line. If you blink, you'll miss it because he drives like a madman.
We were going very fast. We made it. It is cold out here, but we are at the summit of this mountain. Yeah. Mount San Jacinto. It's cold. It really is. But that's really cool though. Look at that. It's cool. All Palm Springs over there. Yeah, it's a really cool view. Just keeps going. It's the highest point I think we can be. That's crazy. Wow. In fact, I'm afraid of heights. So, yeah. Let's go on this rock. There it is. These rocks are like trying to kill me. Alright. So there it is. There's the city. I think you can see Los Angeles from here. But yeah, you can even see the curvature of the earth. It's really cool. Alright, let's go to the other side quickly. Some mountain. Just very nice mountain view here. As you can see. Yeah, well, hold on, let me get to that point. Alright. Very cool.
Excuse us. Can you take us a photo by chance? Yeah, sure. Thanks so much.
Very cool. Alright. I'm gonna go back. Huh? Alright. Oh my god.
So what you're saying is we're not going to see you here next week.
Alright.
No, you're not going to see me ever again.
pinit lamig, patay tayo nito.
Itim ang
to my friend Ito, my dad's friend's house. So yeah, very nice house. Pretty much it for this trip. Tomorrow we're just traveling up to LAX to take the flight back to Singapore. So yeah, I guess it's pretty much the end of America, of our American trip. It's kind of sad, but I know this will not be our last time here. So yeah, I'm excited for the next trip in September. But other than that, really sad to see this just fly by so quickly. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Okay, here we are. Last day in America. I mean, we're going to the airport soon. But yeah, very sad. She's very, very sad.
Balik kayo, balik.
Side of sausage.
Yeah, just a side of bacon.
This side. Thank you.
Alright, goodbye. So we're just gonna stop by on this outlet center because it's a bit early for the flight. So yeah. Oops. Very nice. You see this? It's very, very grumpy. Oh. Okay, let's count. One.
No, 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 no.
At the terminal. Waiting for the plane. Hello. Hello.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
It's on the same.
Excited?
No, I'm sad.
Seat. Yeah.